Folks, just a quick public safety announcement. If you own an RV, make sure you're checking your cables on a regular basis, especially if you see issues or you feel things feel warm to the touch. Even here in Florida, if your cables feel warm, check them out. We just finished our solar system about 10 days ago, and we noticed that our breaker started to trip. And so I turned the charging current down and everything was fine, but we used our thermal camera, and as part of the test I went in and I looked at the cables, and I noticed that these cables were getting about 137 degrees, which was very hot. Well, I replaced the shore cord today, and this is what I found when I unplugged it. It was completely charred on both legs. Luckily, the Bulldog I have it plugged into is fine. There's no signs of damage to that, but this cord here was very damaged. The wire is very brittle. It's not very flexible. So just make sure you're checking your cords on a regular basis and testing to make sure that everything's okay. This could have easily caused a fire if it had gone unseen or untouched. Luckily, we did our solar system, so we were checking all this pretty regularly anyway. See you on the next one.